Hi, my name's Adam Driscoll, and today we're going to be looking at PowerShell Universal Dashboard's layout options. PowerShell Universal Dashboard is a web-based cross-platform module that allows you to create web-based dashboards in purely PowerShell. So if we look at our dashboard.ps1 script here, you can see I'm creating a new dashboard that has 4 different UD cards in it. Each one of those cards has a black background with white text, and then the title is just a different number. I've set the dashboard to auto reload, so any changes that I make will automatically be visible on the screen. So if we switch over to the dashboard, what you can see the default layout is to just stack those cards on top of each other, and they take up the full width of the screen. That's the most basic configuration you can use for your layout. If we want to get a little more advanced, what we can do is we can use new UD layout. New UD layout allows you to specify the number of columns that you'd like to use for your particular dashboard. In this case, I want 2 columns, and I want to put those 4 components inside there. If I save this dashboard, it'll automatically reload, and you can see that now I have a 2-column layouts inside my dashboard. If I wanted to do a 3-column layout, I can just change this to 3, save it again, and it will reload, and you can see now I have a 3-column layout. And if I wanted to space those out completely across the page, I could do a 4-column layout for each one of the components. And now you can see I have a 4-column layout. The grid system is built on Materialize's grid system. Materialize is the CSS library that we're using to format this particular product, and you can see that it's built on a 12-column grid system, so you can have up to 12 columns inside your dashboard. So if we want a little more control, what we can actually use are the new UD row and new UD column commandlets. New UD row just allows you to take a series of columns, and each one of those columns has a specified size. You can use a size from 1 to 12. In this case, let's do a size of 3 and set the content to 2 of our cards. If we do another column, you can set the size to, for example, 9. Set the content to the other 2 cards, and get rid of our layout. If we save that, what you'll see is we have another grid layout set up here where we have a column on the left that takes up 3/12 of the page, or 1/4 of the page, and a column on the right that takes up 9/12 or 3/4 of the page. So columns and rows can be nested inside each other. You can do all kinds of crazy stuff with your formatting, so you can get exactly what you want out of Universal Dashboard. Additionally, when screen sizes change and you're actually looking at a dashboard on a mobile device, the screen or the layout will actually automatically change down to a stacked layout to fit a smaller screen size. So you don't have to worry about being mobile friendly. It automatically does that for you. Alright, I hope that was useful to learn a little bit about the different formatting options that you can use in Universal Dashboard. Visit poshud.com to see an example of Universal Dashboard, and poshtools.com to actually buy a licensed Universal Dashboard.